Menopause isn't just about hot flashes or mood swings. It's also a major turning point for your brain. New research shows that hormonal changes during menopause can affect memory, focus, and even the risk of Alzheimer's. Understanding this connection helps women take proactive steps for long-term brain health. In this video, we'll uncover why menopause is more than a reproductive shift. It's a vital phase for protecting your cognitive well-being. Hey everyone, and welcome back to What Women Want channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that affects every woman, but is still so misunderstood: menopause. We're not just talking about hot flashes and mood swings. We're going to dive deep into the surprising connection between menopause and your brain. Did you know that menopause is now being called a neurological turning point? Stick around, because what you'll learn today could change how you think about your long-term health. Beyond hormones, menopause as a brain health turning point. For a long time, menopause was seen as just a reproductive transition. But what if I told you it's also a major event for your brain? That's right. The latest research is reframing menopause as a neurological transition, and it's a conversation we all need to be having. Here's a startling fact: 2/3 of Alzheimer's patients are women. And while it's easy to think this is just a part of aging, the science tells a different story. It seems to be linked to what happens in the brain when estrogen levels decline during menopause. In fact, some studies show that starting hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, within 5 years of menopause may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's by up to 30%. This is a huge deal, and it's something every woman in her 40s and 50s should be discussing with her doctor. The rise of cognitive wellness in midlife. It's not just the scientists who are noticing. Healthcare professionals are seeing a huge increase in women asking about brain health. A recent survey found that 81% of healthcare providers say that midlife women are asking more questions about brain health and longevity supplements. This is a massive shift, but there's still a big knowledge gap. Did you know that 30% of women aren't aware that menopause can affect memory, or that 1 in 2 women wouldn't connect brain fog and sleep issues to perimenopause? So what are women doing to take control of their cognitive health during this transition? It's all about a holistic approach. Physical activity: 56% are getting their bodies moving. Improving sleep and stress management: 55% are prioritizing rest and relaxation. Nutrition: 52% are focusing on a brain-healthy diet. Supplements: 50% are looking into supplements to support brain function. Mindfulness or meditation: 41% are using these practices to calm their minds. A new mindset for menopause. So what does all of this mean? It means we need to change the way we think about menopause. It's not an ending. It's a critical, actionable window for your lifelong cognitive health. It's a time to be proactive and make choices that will protect your brain for decades to come. By understanding the connection between menopause and brain health, we can empower ourselves to navigate this transition with confidence and strength. What are your thoughts on this? Have you experienced brain fog or other cognitive changes during perimenopause or menopause? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We can all learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.